Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Juke ST, stock reference number 5378. The shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a HR16DE, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. HR16DE, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.